Hello. Before you can create a coin, a cryptocurrency coin, you need the various systems that are being used. For those dealing with Ubuntu operating system, for Ubuntu operating system, one of the things you need is the operating system itself, which is Ubuntu operating system. So we are talking of Ubuntu right now. I'll make mention of that of Windows operating system and the other operating system. So for Ubuntu operating system, one of the things you need an Ubuntu operating system. One, you need to know how to use them, how to use it, how to use the command prompt, that's the command terminal, how to use the command terminal. For me, presently, I'm using a Chromebook, which I then install Ubuntu into it. So Ubuntu is installed in this Chrome computer. So like now I'm going to the terminal of the Ubuntu. So I'm going to do this and then sudo enter Chrome root, which is this. So now, as you can see, I'm in the operating system, that's the Ubuntu operating system presently. So this is it. So if these are the folder, one folder, desktop folder, um, download folder, music folder, pictures, public. So I can easily enter anyone I want. So the documents. So this is what I have. So I can simply do that. I can enter any of the um, any of the folder I need. Right now, this is our folder. So the various folder, the various file, documents, and all that in the operating system, Ubuntu operating system. This is the terminal. Mind you, I said I'm using a Chromebook laptop. So with this, you are prepared. So you need that. You also need a VPS, an online VPS, which is Visual Private Server. And this Visual Private Server can either be that of Ubuntu operating system or any other operating system, which is Ubuntu operating system. So you need that. You also need three. You also need a website address, a website address. You need that, and you need pictures. You need pictures. You need pictures. So you need this. These are the thing. Then you need to know what you actually need when compiling the coin. You need to know what you need, and from here you can look at this. Look at this. Go to document. Go to document. Um, you can look at Ubuntu operating system. You can come here. Then what you need specifically, this is what you need. The dependencies. So you need to copy this. You can copy this, and this is what you need. You need one of this. You need this. You need that. Number six. Number six. You need this. You need this specifically. So these are what you need before you need to put them in the Ubuntu system, run them, install them. So these are what you need before you can create a cryptocurrency of your choice. You need this particular thing. Thank you for watching. As you continue to watch my channel, I'll be putting more videos. Thank you.